Firefox and we'll find a web page that we like to go to, and we don't always remember the exact name of the site. What we can do is we can right-click that web page in our browser, and we'll be presented with a menu. One of the options in the menu is to fill in a keyword. We'll go ahead and fill in a word that will help you remember the site. For this example, I'm opening up a web page that gives me telephone numbers and addresses in Canada. It's basically a Canadian phone directory. So I'm going to type in the keyword. When I right-click the option where it says keyword, I'm going to type in the word address. And I'm going to save it and close it. And now when I go into my browser, all I have to do is type in the word address, and we see that it automatically knows to search for that web page. So therefore I don't need to know the exact name of the page, and I also don't need to go through my whole list in my bookmarks page to find that particular site. I can just go and call up the web page by the keyword address. This is really helpful in making it easier to search for our favorite web pages.